Are you frustrated because all of the high quality men that you really like just aren't contacting you or aren't interested in a committed relationship, and all the guys that you're not interested in are contacting you? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to get high quality men to chase you. Hi, I'm Jason Silver, the dating coach for ambitious women, and if this is your first time on the channel, I'd like to welcome you to the crew. Now, on this channel, every single week, I put out videos that teach you exactly how to attract high-quality men into a committed partnership. Now, if you're not familiar with a high-quality man or what that means, I look at it as someone that provides you a deeply fulfilling, lifelong, committed relationship. Someone who's caring, loyal, smart, intelligent, all of the things that you'd like in a partner. So please keep watching because this video is a powerful one. If you really like a high quality man and you try to get him actively to like you, it actually has the opposite effect. You see, men love mystery. Some men even love the chase. When there's a sense of mystery or uncertainty that a woman likes him, and then all of a sudden a man gets an indicator of interest showing that she actually may like him or may show a little bit of interest, it gives him that hit of dopamine. It also makes him feel like he's obtaining something of value. And when something is less readily available to us, it's a natural human instinct to want to get more of it. It's basic supply and demand. When supply decreases and we don't have that as readily available to us, the value that we place on it increases. So by chasing men, you're actually pulling away the very attraction triggers that would make them more highly attracted to you. So then what do? What's the solution? Well, I'm going to let you in on a secret. What most women do, what 99.9% of all humans do, is they try to be more attractive. They try to focus on all of the things that they believe will make them generally more attractive to everyone. Well, I'm going to let you in on a secret why that's the wrong thing to do if you're trying to attract a high quality man. And please do me a favor if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, become part of my crew, and join the hundreds of other women that get notified every single week of my new videos that teach you exactly how to attract high quality men. Just click the red button below this video that says subscribe. So there's 3 simple but powerful steps that will make a high quality man chase you. Now, the foundational step, it's not to become attractive to all men, it's to understand exactly what type of man you are trying to attract. Because you don't want to attract every man. You want to be polarizing. You will only want to attract a small percentage of men that are going to be a good fit for you, that are going to be the men that you really truly want to attract. And it's very difficult to attract someone if you don't even understand who you're trying to attract. So step 1 is understanding exactly who you're trying to attract on a deeper level. And how do you understand them? Well, that's a whole nother video, but I can tell you it's important to understand the basics. Where is he located? What types of things does he value? What does he like to spend his time on? I always say that the best indicator of what we value is what we spend our time on. So where does he spend his time? What types of people does he surround himself with? What books or literature does he read? What websites does he visit? Knowing these things, you can actually go in and do research, read the same publications, attend the same events. The more that you can understand about the man that you're trying to attract, the easier it's going to be for you to show him what he's looking for. And that leads us to step 2. Step 2 is simple, but it's really important. It's asking yourself the question, okay, now that I've got this image in my mind, this visualization of exactly who I'm trying to attract, am I the type of woman he's looking for? It's simple, but it's important that you be very, very deeply honest with yourself and then move on to step 3. Now, step 3 is to be the woman that your ideal man is looking for. Now, I'm going to preface this by saying it's important that you don't look at this as being fake, as being inauthentic, or changing who you truly are on a deep level to try to please another person. That's not what step 3 is all about. Step 3 is about finding a high quality match, and let me just say, if you're choosing a high quality match that really is not interested in being with someone like you, your authentic self, well then I encourage you to really take a different look at who your high quality match is, because I believe a true high quality match will really truly love you for you. That being said, we need to learn how to communicate the best character traits and assets that we have. And we can't focus on trying to promote or trying to show the traits that we think are important. This is the key difference. We need to show what character traits, what values they are looking for. It's like trying to sell a pen to someone and you might really value the ink color that comes out of the pen when all they want or all they care about is having a pen that feels really comfortable. And you're sitting there promoting the pen color, they can care less. It's not effective because you're not speaking their language. You're not showing them what they're looking for. They're looking for a comfortable pen. So by deeply understanding them, you can then promote, show, communicate your best values, assets, character traits that they're looking for. And think about it. What ways can I magnify these different character traits? What ways can I show them that I'm adventurous and open and I love to travel? What ways can I show them that I truly love family and I love giving and gift giving or quality time? Whatever it is that you truly value. For me, I knew that I wanted to have and find a wife who was deeply sweet and cared about sweetness, tenderness, and kindness. So it was important for me as I was dating to really focus on all of my actions and asking myself, am I being sweet? Am I being tender? Am I being kind? And the more that I proactively worked on actually showing that, the more I actually became a better man. The more that I learned, it was like working out. It was like building a muscle. The more that I focused on being kind and tender and sweet, the more I actually became that man. So step 3 is about becoming your best self and showing him the character traits that he is looking for. So just to summarize, before you can start attracting high quality man, you need to understand exactly who you are attracting on a deep level. Get a real feeling for the man that you're trying to attract. Step 2, ask yourself, am I really embodying the type of woman he's looking for? And if I'm not, then what am I doing? Am I really looking for the right guy? Is that really a match? Or do I need to step up my game and start becoming more of the person that I know that I'm meant to be, that really filling my potential? And even if I am embodying those things, am I focused on communicating to him exactly what he's looking for? And how am I doing that? And how can I improve on that? When you do these things, when you communicate the right things to the right types of men, then it creates that powerful attraction that will make a high quality man chase you. This stuff really works, and most people don't actually take the time to move through these steps and really trying to understand the people that they're trying to attract. If you enjoyed this video, want to get notified of all of my future videos and join my crew, please hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it beneath this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.